topic of today's debate is: should yoga be compulsory in schools? We have four students here. Two are in favor of yoga in schools and two oppose yoga in schools. Let's start with the debate now.
Hello everyone. I am for the idea that yoga should be compulsory in schools. First, yoga helps keep us healthy. In India, many children spend long hours studying. Yoga, with breathing exercises and simple postures, helps reduce stress, improves concentration, and keeps our body active. For example, the ancient practice of yoga started in India, and even today, many people around the world practice it to stay fit. If schools include yoga in their daily routine, students will grow up healthier.
Hi all, I respect yoga, but I don't think it should be compulsory in schools. My first concern is that not all students are comfortable doing yoga. Some children may feel shy or they may have physical limitations. Forcing everyone to do yoga could make some feel uncomfortable or left out. Also, schools are already many subjects. What if yoga takes up time from important lessons like math, science or languages?
Hi friends, I agree with Ishan. Another reason yoga should be compulsory, it helps mental health. Many students in India and worldwide have exam pressure, homework and expectations from parents. Yoga can help reduce anxiety. Around the world, for example, in many schools in the United States and Europe, schools offer yoga or mindfulness classes to help students manage stress. If we make yoga a regular part of school, students will learn stress management early, which can help them throughout life.
Hello everyone. I think yoga is good, but making it compulsory may not be the right idea. My second point, if yoga is compulsory, it may force many students to spend extra time on non-academic activities. For students who travel long distances to school or have extra tuition after school, this can be a burden. Also, not all schools have the facilities. Many schools in rural India may not have enough space or trained yoga teachers. So mandatory yoga may be easy in big cities but hard in small towns or villages.
I understand the concerns raised by Kajal and Rohit, but I think we can solve them. For students who are shy or feel uncomfortable, yoga can be taught gently. Basic breathing, simple stretches, so everyone can join. It doesn't have to be difficult or showy. Regarding time, many schools already have physical education or games time. Yoga can replace part of that time or be a short 15-20 minute session daily. This way, it won't affect academic lessons. Also, for rural schools or small schools, local teachers can be trained simply. It doesn't need expensive equipment. A mat or even just a clean floor is enough. So I believe making yoga compulsory is possible everywhere.
You make good points, but I still worry about forcing participation. In school, students are very sensitive. Some may not want to do yoga because of shyness or family beliefs. In India, there are many different religions and backgrounds. Some parents might think yoga is connected with some beliefs and may not want their children to practice yoga. Forcing yoga could create discomfort or conflict in such cases. Also, school is already full. We have academics, homework, extra classes, sometimes sports, competitions. Adding yoga may overload students. Not everyone may enjoy yoga. Some may prefer games, art, or other hobbies.
Good points, Kajal. But I think yoga can be optional for those who do not want to join, but still strongly encouraged. Often in countries outside India, like many schools in Canada or Australia, yoga or mindfulness sessions are offered but not forced, and many students join because they like its benefits. However, I still think making it compulsory in the sense of giving every student a chance, maybe with an option to choose between yoga or some other physical activity, can balance freedom and benefit. Moreover, yoga teaches discipline. This discipline can help students in other classes too. For example, breathing exercises help calm nerves before exams. This will help students perform better overall.
Your idea to give options is better than forcing yoga for all, but still, I worry about quality. If schools try to make yoga compulsory but don't have trained teachers, then yoga may be done wrongly, leading to injuries or no benefit. Also, many students may already feel tired after long school and tuition hours. Adding yoga might feel like extra burden, not help. Finally, some students may just do it for formality, not taking it seriously. And then there will be no real benefit. So I think we should keep yoga as an optional extracurricular activity, not a compulsory daily practice.
To conclude, I believe making yoga compulsory in schools gives many benefits: physical health, mental peace, better concentration, discipline. For example, students in India who practice yoga regularly often say they feel less tired and calmer. Even globally, many schools that offer yoga or mindfulness notice students become more focused and less stressed. If we teach yoga in school, children will learn healthy habits early. This can help them throughout their life, in studies, in work, and in personal life. I agree that schools should try to have trained teachers and maybe allow a choice. But overall, I think compulsory yoga with flexibility can help many students.
In closing, I want to say that while yoga is good, making it compulsory may cause problems, discomfort for some students, burden on their time, and difficulties for schools without resources. India has many different social, religious, and economic backgrounds. We cannot assume yoga will suit everyone. I believe schools should offer yoga, yes, but leave it to students to decide. Let it be optional as a helpful extra activity. That way, everyone has freedom and nobody feels forced.
Just one more thought. Many habits started in school continue through life. If we make yoga a regular part of school life, students may carry it into adulthood. In today's stressful world, in India and everywhere else, good health and stress management are very important. So I strongly believe that giving every student the opportunity for yoga, maybe not forcing, but integrating into school schedules is a step in the right direction.
I would like to add that school should respect students' choices. We should give a variety of options: sports, art, dance, games, whatever a student is comfortable with. Making yoga compulsory might reduce variety. We should focus on giving students freedom to choose what keeps them active, not force one activity on all.
This was a great debate. Now it's your turn to share your opinion. What do you think is better? Share your views in the comments below.